And welcome back, everyone. Now, Sunny, we've got a very special guest. हमारे बच्चों को encourage करने के लिए sports में, I think it's very important. तो हमारा अपना homegrown जो sport है cricket, उसकी बड़ी facilities यहाँ पे आ रही हैं. So we've got Mr.
Maybe IPL fever.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. I don't know much about it, but we have a gentleman here who's going to tell us a lot about it. We've got Surinder Kumar, who is a cricket coach, and he's here to talk to us about ROPSA, which is the Region of PL Secondary School Athletic Association, and their cricket program that's happening. Welcome to the studio.
Thank you. I bring a great news to you.
Okay.
ROPSA has partnered with SEMA as well as CIBC to launch an inter-school cricket tournament in GTA. We're going to be starting with the city of Mississauga, city of Brampton, Markham as well as Toronto. All the high schools, most of the high schools, there's a great demand for cricket among those students. And they'll be entering their teams, and there'll be a winner, a competition for a winner out of each of these cities. And on June 1st, they'll be playing a final game for the championship trophy.
Oh, wonderful.
And first of this kind in whole region of GTA.
Right.
Amazing.
Surinderji, talking about cricket, we've all played cricket, we all love cricket. खासकर जो साउथ एशियन कंट्रीज में से आते हैं, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, जब हम यहाँ पे आते हैं, डिड यू नोटिस, आप खुद एक क्रिकेट के कोच रहे हैं बैक इन इंडिया, यहाँ पे भी आपने ऐसे नोटिस किया कि देयर इज अ ग्रोइंग डिमांड बिकॉज ऑफ आईपीएल काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स becoming bigger and greater over the years?
Absolutely. The demographics have been changing and the school populations have been changing since I joined PL District School Board. That was in 1994, part-time and then full-time in 1999.
Okay.
And there has been a huge demand for cricket. Whenever the cricket is announced in the schools, you'll see lots of kids coming out and trying cricket. And even the students who never seen cricket played, they were willing to try it once they see the white bat. Especially the baseball boys, they love it. They say, I can hit that ball out of the park anytime, sir.
Right.
And they are all excited. And first time I launched my team, I had on my team the boys from Caribbeans, the boys from Australia, boys from Italian boys playing baseball all their life and hitting the ball so hard hitting the ball so hard that the windows were shaking. Wow. And the opposing coach basically told his fielders, don't stick your hand out. I don't want you to lose your hands. Don't block those shots.
Wow.
Along with some girls on that team. And it was totally amazing.
Wow, wonderful. So, आपको लगता है because of the diverse cultures in Canada and like obviously जिस तरह you're familiar with cricket, आपके 3 बेटे हैं माशाल्लाह से, so I'm sure they know a lot about cricket.
Oh, absolutely.
So because of the immigrant population, it's become quite of a demand for it.
It definitely has, and it's just so nice to see in the school settings whereby the students who normally may not participate in many other activities, but once they hear the name of cricket, it acts as a big hook to them to keep them focused on studies as well as progress in other academics along with sports. And they become part and parcel of the school life, which is bigger than any academic education.
Right. Talking about SEMA now, which is the Mayor's School Cricket Tournament, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
For the
CIBC, इसके CIBC trophy कहाँ जा रहा है?
So ROPSA has partnered with SEMA as well as with CIBC to launch this inter-school cricket tournament. This will be starting next month, and each of the cities will hold their own competitions. And the winning team from each of these 4 cities, they will compete for the Champions Trophy on June 1st.
And the 4 cities are Mississauga, Brampton, Toronto, and Markham.
In these, you're right on.
Can other cities be a part also, or is it too late now?
At this point, what we have is SEMA has a website to register their teams. So all high schools who are interested in registering or competing in this tournament, they are supposed to go to SEMA's website, which is www.sema.com. I guess this is CA or COM.
SEMAcanada.org.
That's right. That's the right website to go and register their teams. And the big thrust of this tournament is not a huge, there'll be competition indeed, but at the same time is to promote the participation. We want to bring this game to the grassroots and bring this game the awesome values of cricket, which are very unique and are different than many other sports, bring those and inculcate those values among students, which is going to help them to succeed in many other diverse disciplines.
Definitely.
Wonderful. So, isme koi ages hote hain? Like, do you have an age, a starting and a finishing age group, or do you have different age groups that will be participating in different categories?
There are different age groups as well. I think they had a tournament for youngers, but what I'm here to give you information is about the high schools.
The high school students
And
only.
they would have actually multi-tier teams as well. So the beginning team may play at their level, whereas the advanced team will play at a higher level.
Nice.
So that provides opportunity to all kinds of students who succeed in it and be able to enjoy the game and learn from it.
Right. And does the weather help also? आपको लगता है कि summer is the only time, it really doesn't. Indoor cricket is something that's big also?
Indoor cricket, we have been playing indoor since 1999, and now we are seeing with the global warming or better summers weather, it has come.
Now.
That's right. It has come outdoor as well, and most of the schools are looking to set up their pitches and be able to play outdoor.
Very nice.
So there's tryouts that happen, and where can people get more information? Like, I'm sure bachche dekh rahe hoenge, they want to see where they can investigate this and go and actually find out where they can go and try out and stuff.
I would recommend to all the students who are interested in asking their phys ed teachers and reminding them that there's a outdoor cricket tournament and they would like to play, and if their phys ed teachers or their coaches can enter their team, and they would have opportunity to play this tournament and enjoy the game.
Great. Great.
तो सनी अपने बेटों को
जी,
enroll कर लो.
definitely.
अभी high school के age के नहीं है.
I know, but they're already, they joined a club last year, and
Oh, they did?
Great.
yeah, they know how to play cricket. They enjoy playing it. दिन भर खेल सकते हैं, non-stop. That's how kids are.
So is there anything for girls? Quickly, let me ask you.
Yes.
लड़कियों का कोई section
Yes. There are girls team as well.
है? Okay.
So there's a tournament for the boys and there's a tournament for pure girls team as well.
So the finals for the
Wonderful.
boys and girls would be on the same day?
That needs to be determined. I'm not totally sure about that part, but definitely if you watch
Wonderful.
yesterday's CBC News,
I'm going to have to cut you off. I'm so sorry we're short of time, but for more information, please आप जाइएगा www.cimacanada.org, cimacanada.org. We will be back. Thank you so much for being in the studio.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.